Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Google Meet in your classroom. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. Over here, sign in with your Google account, preferably your school account. After that, to start an instant meeting, click New Meeting and select Start an Instant Meeting. Then share the meeting link or code with your students. If you want to schedule a meeting, click New Meeting and select Schedule in Google Calendar. Over here, click Create, add your meeting details, click Add Google Meet Video Conferencing, then save the event and share the invitation link. After that, during the meeting, find the host controls in the bottom right corner to manage students' screen sharing, chat, microphones, and video. Then click Present Now to share your screen, window, or tab. Over here, if you're sharing a video, select Share tab Audio. After that, to record the class, click Activities and then Recording. Then, when the class ends, click End Call to close the session for everyone. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.